Hello student, myself Ajay Gupta as your mathematics teacher. Dear student, I hope you will be fine and enjoying the learning from home. Before starting the today's lecture, it is inform you that the stationery shops has opened. So please purchase your copy and box and do your work on your fair copy. Now let's begin the today's lecture 7. In this lecture, we shall study about the multiplication of rational numbers. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the addition and subtraction of the rational numbers. In this lecture, we shall study the multiplication of rational numbers. Take any two rational number, for example, a by b and c by d, then it can be defined as a by b multiplied by c by d, then we get a into c upon b into d. That means the numerators multiplied by with numerators and denominators multiplied by with their denominators. For example, 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8. For this we can solve it. 3 into minus 7 by 5 into 8. We get minus 21 by 40. This is your answer. And take another examples for this. First we solve the first two. So 5 multiplied by 12 and 7 multiplied by 13 into 7 by 18. We get 12 multiplied by 5, we get 60, and 13 multiplied by 7, we get 91. Again, we multiplied by 7 by 18. We get 420 by, we multiplied this 91. Here we get 8, 3, 16. This is your answer. Again, the next topic is your division of rational numbers. Division of rational numbers. Take any rational numbers, for example, a by b and c by d. If a by b divided by c by d, then a by b into d by c. That means we can write, if we change the sign of division in multiplication, then their denominators and numerators interchange. Numerators convert in denominator and denominator convert in numerator. Then we get a by b into d by c. Remember this. And this is always a into d by b into c. You can solve it by this theorem. For example, this is in a division. So first we write 4 by 9 into 12 by minus 5. When we change the sign of division, then the denominator and numerator interchange. So we get 4 into 12, we get 48, and 9 into minus 5, we get minus 45. This is your answer. Again, if this is in division, so first solve this. We get 4 by 9. Change the sign of division in multiplication. Then this convert in 12 by minus 5. Again use this sign, 7 by 5. Now first solve this bracket. We get 48 by minus 45. 4 into 12, 48. And 9 into minus 5 by minus 45. Divided by 7 by 5. Again change the sign of division. We get 48 by 45 multiplied by 5 by 7. When we change the sign of division, the numerator and denominator interchange. So we get first 48 multiplied by 5 and 7 multiplied by minus. Now you can solve 5 8 is 40, 5 4 is 20 plus 4 24, 24 by 7 5 is 35, 7 4 is 28 plus 3, 31. This is your answer. Now this is your homework and trying to solve this. Again, please purchase your copy and book and solve all the work on your pair copy. Thank you so much.